Behold, this scroll without a name. Within it is recounted an as yet unfinished tale. If thy heart be drawn to its contents, take up the scroll and unfurl its aged parchment. I see thou art keen to know more. In that case, allow me to spin for thee a yarn. A tale spanning the history of the ninja. The story of a never-ending chain of battles. Raging ceaselessly since creation itself, before even the days of Otsutsuki. Even as ninja formed and settled into prosperity. Unfettered conflict, and hatred did spread its steely grip. Coming down on you! Amidst this strife, two warriors faced one another and continued their fight. What are you doing?
Saw that coming. Wood-style hidden jutsu! Deep forest emerges!
Summoning jutsu!
Disable its movements first. Wood-style Wood Dragon Jutsu!
My heart dances with fighting.
Madara,
why you? Come, entertain me.
Coming down on you! Come on! Got you! Got you! So got you! Take this!
Let's see you try and stop this! Now isn't this fun? You should enjoy yourself more.
Come on! Coming down on you!
Did you think mere trees could stop me?
Wait, is that? I'll crush you right here!
You intend to use that blood thing against me?
Take this! Perhaps this will tame you somewhat.
Let's see you try and stop this! What? You lost your nerve?
You are decisive enough. Saw that. Take this.
Nine tails.
No. Nine tails.
Attack!
What style? What golem jutsu? The tailed beast in Susanoo!
I would say we're both plenty warmed up, wouldn't you?
Indeed! Prepare to fight!
This is why I could never stop fighting you.
I'll need to give all I've got. Time to find out who's stronger. Your nine tails or my wood golem.
As you wish. This! Now what will you do, Hashirama? I see. Hashirama, no one else can battle blow for blow. This is what ninja battle should be like.
You're my friend.
You always were blinded by sentimentality. Dare to dream once in a while. Susanoo!
Even the almighty Susanoo isn't invincible. Not to focus. Not bad for defeating the beast before me.
But this isn't over yet. That's as far as you go. This! I'm going to blow the entire ground away.
Not quite.
Do you think you would
Yes,
put up such a fight?
I stopped.
Begone, Hashirama!
You leave me no choice. Sage Art! Wood Style, Shinsu Senshu, Veritable Thousand-Armed Kanon.
The battle will never end. But still the ninja keep up the fight. They fight for what they believe in, to follow their own true path. And so, time passed. But the cycle of battle never ended. And as the violence of the ninja world continued to grow more severe, two shadows walked down a path. What will they find? And what new path will it lead them toward? In the next chapter, two unparalleled warriors.
The world is going to end here.
Land of Fire, Hidden Leaf Village. Here lives a boy who dreams of becoming the village leader, the Hokage. That boy's name is Naruto Uzumaki. In his body dwelled the nine-tailed fox, the mighty-tailed beast that once attacked the village. But the strong will that he was born with allowed him to run down the path of growth. However, there was trouble brewing in the ninja world. An organization known as the Akatsuki had set out to collect the nine-tailed beasts, including the Nine Tails, and declared war on the ninja world, releasing the flames of a massive conflict. Once they were ignited, the flames continued to burn on and on. But Naruto Uzumaki just kept staring straight ahead. Having forged new bonds, he kept his eyes fixed on the future and let loose a roar. That roar grew stronger and spread. And as if they were echoes, his many allies leapt into action.
Naruto.
All for his sake as he keeps on fighting.
This world is meaningless now.
The Ghetto statue here? Don't tell me he's ready to begin.
Now, time for chaos!
The roars from the splitting earth herald the end. as this battle to save the ninja world enters its final stage. The ultimate death match begins.
The world no longer needs hope, a future, or any famous heroes. When this reality ends, all that will remain is a single endless dream.
I had a dad, a mom, an old man sage. Kids look up to heroes. So I'm gonna keep charging ahead without losing my way. I'm gonna become the best Hokage there's ever been. That's my dream, you idiot! I'll get that mask off if it's the last thing I do! And I'm gonna crush that big thing, and then it'll all be over!
Do you really think it's going to be that easy?
Think with me, Kurama! Tail Beast Planetary Rasen Shuriken! Ah! That's a look of pain if I ever saw one!
What's that supposed to mean?
If you're really so much better than us, take that mask off and show us how calm you are, you loser!
He really is strong. What should we do, Kakashi?
There's something that won't leave my mind.
What is it?
This is still just a hypothesis, but his jutsu may be the same as my Kamui.
What?
If my hypothesis is right, and we're using the same jutsu, then our eyes must be the same. Which means that the space-time dimension that appears must also be the same. If I can use that to our advantage.
Get him shot! Open! How you?
Just wait. I'll take you all into an infinite dream before you know what hit you.
We'll sleep when we feel like it, and when we do, we'll dream as much as we want. I don't need your help to fall asleep.
Kamui!
What's lurking behind that mask? Could it be?
Lightning blade!
I need to corner him. Then I'll definitely be able to find out who he really is.
Now!
All right. Kamui!
Got you!
Oh, a shadow clone? It's your limit, Kakashi.
Tail Beast Bomb!
You're too late. You're wasting your time. What?
Impossible!
Nowhere to run now, Toby!
I get it. My attack isn't what erased that shadow clone. It was Kamui. Damn Kakashi. He figured out that we're connected to the same space.
This is it! Who are you?
You're... Obito.